Hi everyone. In this video I will teach you that how to add two numbers in Python ideally. It has two methods. First in the interactive mode and second in the script mode. Both the method I will show you how to add two numbers. It is very easy method. First we will take two numbers. So suppose I am taking A3 equal to 67. This is the first number. That means these numbers we will store it in the variable. How to take variable in Python ideally if you don't know, so then first you will watch that video how to take variables in Python. I already uploaded that video. Now first numbers I have taken. Now I will take second number. This is A5 equal to 89. Two numbers now I have taken. Now after two numbers we will add it. So I will write add equal to A3 plus A5. Addition also done. Now press the enter key. Call to the add variable. Then output will generate. Without print command also we can get the output in the interactive mode. This is the interactive mode. Now I am showing to the script mode how to write addition of two numbers. File menu, new file. Now first we will write the comment section. So use it hashtag sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. Hashtag means this is the highlighted. You can see that color has changed of this program because now these lines will not accepted by the interpreter. Then write A3 equal to 67. Same process we will write A5 equal to 89. Got it? Add equal to A3 plus A5. Addition process is done. Now we will call to the print command. Print command you will write only the small letter. Now small bracket open. Now I am taking in the comment also, then it will be display. So quotation on, then write sum of two numbers equal to, in the quotation you can write anything, then afterwards put in the comma, then add, call the variable, then close the bracket. This is the only programming line, 4-line programming. Now you will go to the run command, run module. Otherwise through the F5 key also you can press it. Now save it. First source code, this is called source code. Source code first you have to save. So press the OK button. Now first you create the folder and save it every program. I already created the folder Python program in the E drive, and how to create the folder you don't know. Then first you create the folder and then afterwards edit. This is my first program I am displaying, I am uploading in the YouTube. So I am giving P1 only, program 1 dot py. Dot py is the extension name. So dot py you will give, then output will generate sum of two numbers equal to 156. You can see here both the outputs are same. I hope that this video is very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.